angels, come in, come in. There's lots of room. Come on in. I just had a package delivered. You can help me open it. But come on in. There's lots of room for everybody. Get in here, everybody. Yeah, I still have the hammocks down here. So there's one over by the window. There's one over by Bella's tree, and she's up there, so give her some pets. Candy's here too. There's one just behind me. You can't see it, but they're all there. And they'll fit 3 of you comfortably, 4 if you're friendly, which we all are. I put the rocking chair over there by the window, and that'll fit 2 of you, and the legs do come up. Awesome. And over by the army of stuffies for Christmas, I've put a lot of hardback chairs. Good. And I've turned the tub chairs around, and I have a lot of the hardback chairs over here as well for those that need it. And if you just want to sprawl out, meditation cushions are just under there. Grab and help yourself. I'm so glad. I kind of thought you guys might be here. So we're having special refreshments today. We're having milk and cookies. I have made oatmeal chocolate chip. I have made gingerbread molasses, and I have made thumbprint cookies. I love thumbprint cookies too. The people are here to clean the park next door, and Candy doesn't like that. No, that's her park, you know. But the milk part, we have everything. We have vegan, we have non-dairy, we have lactose-free, we have soy, we have almond, we have regular, you name it, we have it. We also have all kinds of flavorings. I have chocolate syrup, strawberry syrup, caramel syrup. And just pop it in the microwave if you'd like to have it heated. And there's a whole thing of whipped cream or non-dairy whipped topping. Help yourselves, guys. It's a fun day. What's that, sweetie? Actually, I don't think I've ever made snickerdoodles. I know, right? I think that's going to be one of our next bake with me's is a snickerdoodle. Yeah. Now, I see we have some new little angels. Come on in, welcome in. Thank you so much. My house doesn't always look like the North Pole threw up in it, but it's for the holidays and I love it. So please make yourselves comfortable. Give it a thumbs up. You could share it. Sharing is caring, especially this time of year. If you silently watch, that's okay. I'm happy you're here. And I'm happy for the support and the company. But if you're comfortable commenting, go for it. We love that here. We love, well, I love to watch you guys interact with each other in the comments. I know a few of you have actually even become friends that way. I love interacting with you. I like to know what you think, what you feel, your video ideas, your suggestions, your questions, all of it. I love that. Please hit that subscribe button below. And hello, 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 hello to all my returning little angels. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always being here, for giving me so much support and love. I appreciate it more than you'll ever know. Thank you. And please keep them coming, and please make sure you're still subscribed. I'm actually trying to move because that clock in the background is just over the top of my head and I look like I'm in Whoville. Anyways, the package I got delivered today is heavy. My Fab Fit Fun for the winter came. The winter edition came. Yay, Fab Fit Fun. So I thought we could open it together. I haven't opened it at all. I know I did add a couple things to it, but I don't remember. There we go. Now, I'm just gonna pause it because it's too loud to open. Back. So see Fab Fit Fun, and there's the nice wreath. Now I pay for it. This is not sponsored by any, and I do the annual membership, but you can do the just seasonal, per season. So I'm going to show you. Let's get this paper out of here. All right, what is this? Oh, we could win a prize. I don't think so. Oh, HelloFresh. I tried it once, guys. If it works for you, great. It didn't work for me. Oh, that's nice. They sent a holiday card. I love that. Okay, let's check this out. You know what? I'm just gonna get my glasses, 1 second. And I found them. Okay, so now we can see what everything is. So, Lujo Bar, Blackberry Magnolia, 2 shower steamers. Can't smell them, which I love. I love that you can't smell through the packaging. I hate when you open something and you get that whiff because you can smell it through the packaging. So I like shower steamers. Do you guys use them? I like them. Okay, what's this one? Oh, these are some slipper socks from Summer and Rose. Okay. These are quite nice. Actually, I believe I did order these. These are for my sister-in-law. Now, I figure I pay for the packages. I've paid the annual membership, so it's not cheap if I gift some of these items. I've paid for them. This one is the Anastasia lip gloss. And this color is coral. So let's look at it, shall we? All right. Ooh, that's a pretty pink. I think that's going in Baby Angel stocking. I think so, yeah. Okay. And this one is Dr. JuArt Vital Hydro Solution Hydro Plump Water Cream. I've heard of Dr. JuArt. I've heard he's very good. Or she, I'm not sure. They are very good. So we will definitely be trying that. This is quite full. Wow. Okay, what's this one? This is Cuccio Botanicals Hand and Body Wash. Eucalyptus and Montana Flower. After the holidays, this will go in the powder room. Because right now I have a holiday one in there. I love that. Oh, what's this? These are Wander, and they're blenders and powder puffs. These we can open. Because even if I was giving this away, it's still packaged, right? It's just not in the plastic. I'll show you what I mean. Okay. They make sure that you know. Okay, there we go. Yeah, see, it's still packaged. Oh, in fact, I like it much better this way to give to someone. See? And I know just the person to give these to, so definitely going in that one. Okay. I don't even know what that is. Oh, look at this, guys. Tower 28. It's a butter, shea butter. It must be lip, I think. So let's see. Oh, it is. It's sealed. I'm not going to open it. I love these lip pencils. I swear by them. I use them more in the summertime, but I know somebody that would really like that. So I'm just going to put that on this side. And I think there's two. That was coral, and this one is, I can't read it. Can you guys read it? Could be upside down. Anyways, let's look at it. And see what it looks like. Okay. It's a little more red, I think. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's actually a coral. Oh, I know exactly who this is going to. I know somebody that this color would suit perfectly. So let's look at the other one then and see what that color looks like. I might keep it for myself. I wish they would put the color here. There we go. Oh, that's much redder. You know what? It's mine. Oh, I like the shine. Okay. Yeah, this one's mine. Okay, what else? Oh, this one is Bobbi Brown Crushed Lip Color. And the color is Cocoa. Let's see this. Okay. Ooh. That is nice. That's very nice. And again, I know just who's getting that. What's this? Oh my gosh, I did order this one. I picked it, I mean. Baby Angel loves her cowgirl boots. And she's actually getting a pair for Christmas. So this is going in her stocking as well. So she'll love that. I love little packages, you know. Okay, this one, it looks like some earrings. Oh, these are pretty. I like these little stud earrings. Okay, these are very pretty. I like that. It looks like snowflakes to me. And I love double anything. I love twofers. Okay, is there anything else in there? So let's pull this one out. I don't know what it is. Oh, I do. I think it's sunglasses. Let's look at them, because we all know I love my sunglasses. These are, now we would pronounce this K. I don't know how it probably way or, I don't know. Actually, we pronounce that key. But let's see how they look. Let me take these off. Sunglasses are always phony. Because Baby Angel only uses her prescription ones. And while I did order prescription sunglasses this last time, I lose sunglasses very easily. So let's see how these look on me. Ooh, I feel elegant. And I like it because they don't move when I smile and I can't feel my eyelashes on them. So I like that. Cool. Where's my pile? Here. Okay, what's this? Okay, this is, oh, these are hair clips. I like the look of that. Yeah. I think Baby Angel will love that. Okay. Now, let's see what this is. It's BKR. I don't know what that is. Because I do order a lot of the mystery bags. Or mystery pick. Because sometimes I just like being surprised, you know? And as all ASM artists know, and I need this actually, I'm packaging some gifts today, so I need bubble wrap. I'm saving that. I'm not sure what this is. All right. Whatever it is bright pink. Ooh! I definitely didn't order this. It's a glass water bottle that you carry around like this. I love this idea. And I love the pink in this. I think that's great. And I like glass. I'm not a metal person. I don't like metal on my mouth. So, okay, now this one, I don't know. Rock Your Body. Mini ceramic coquette set. I don't know. Let's look at it and see what it is, shall we? Okay. All right. It's packaged well. I do know what this is. I need these desperate, especially now that I'm just cooking for Uncle Angel and I did pick these. Okay. So there's 2 of these. And I love to do these when I make like a little rice dish or some kind of baked brie or anything like that. Or a little pot pie. I don't have small. And now that it's just he and I am cooking for, and just his lunch, I need these. So that's perfect. So there's a white and a green. So I might even use these tonight and put some pasta in them. Do a little pasta al forno. I love anything that goes from the oven to the table, back into the fridge for the next day type of thing. These are great for cooking. All right, this is cool. I did okay. So, what do you guys think? What was your favorite of these? I do have to recycle this box. Oh, I wish this had come last week when I was packaging my thing. I am thinking, I don't know if this is the right thing to, excuse me guys, if this is the right thing to do. If any of you know the logistics, can you let me know? I'm thinking, I have all these packages, I think I have 6 or 7 that have to go, well no, 6 have to go to the US. One's going to Canada, but that one I'll use UPS or FedEx. But for the US, because the Canadian postal system is still on strike, I think they're into their 2nd or 3rd week. I think maybe we'll drive over to Niagara, US on the weekend and go to the post office there to mail them. I think I can do that. I don't think I'm cheating anything. And I'm using a postal system. So in my own way, I'm supporting our postal system, because I got to get this stuff out. These are Christmas gifts and I want people to get them. So that's what I'm going to try to do. So I hope you guys like my Fab Fit Fun haul and a blind unboxing. And always remember that I love you, I value you, I honor you. And I'm so very, very glad that each and every one of you was born.